Nah, mate, fucking cringe.
Oh my god, I don't fucking care.
Huh?
A few moments later.
Hey guys, it's Obi again. Just before this video ends, I want to thank you all so much just for the support you guys are giving me, honestly. Like, I've been getting 500 views per video, and that's crazy to think that the channel I had before this, I was maxing out 5 views per video, and all those 5 views probably me, but like, I'm gobsmacked so much, and I just want to thank you all so much for all the support that you guys are giving me, and I'm hoping that you guys like the content. So yeah, thank you so much once again. It's made my whole entire year, and the year's just started. So I want to thank you all so much for all the support you guys give me. Have a great day, everyone.